Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong error in PayMaya. Of course, I'm going through some steps. You can go and do them one by one. If any of them works, make sure to mention it down below in the comment section to know which step works for you, and make sure to like the video as well. If none of the steps that I mentioned works for you, make sure to mention it in the comments below again, so I can see if I'll need to do another version of this video. Let's just start by the most obvious one, is checking, which is of course checking your internet connection. Make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi or even mobile data if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi. Also, it should be stable connection. So make sure to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test out if everything will work for you. If that didn't work, you can try to clear cache. You can go, as example, so on iPhone, you cannot just go to settings app and go to the application of Maya, click on storage and click on clear cache. But in a lot of Android phones, you'll be able to do so. You can just go and click on the app, go to apps, as example, or storage and clear cache. For the iPhone, you'll have to delete the application and reinstall it again, and of course, log in into your account. Once you do all of that, just go and reopen the app, and this should solve the error most of the time. If that didn't work, try to look for updates in the app. If it doesn't have the last update, you can go, as an example, and go to your Google Play Store, App Store, and search for Maya. So, an example, just go and do so. Here is it, pay for Maya, click on it. If you find updates, just go and click on that. Also, sometimes real login into your account will work. Make sure that you log out from your account and just go and click on it, and make sure to go and click on login again. So signing back to your registered mobile number or email will refresh your session and often remove any error that you have. So make sure to go back. As an example, I just disinstall it and install it again. So click on that and click on login to login again. One of the other things that works for most people, which is the known one, which is restarting your phone. A simple restart will clear the background glitches, and you can just go and open it again, restart the app again, and check if the error is gone. Lastly, if none of these options work, you can try to contact the support if none of those works for you. So if nothing works, the issue may be on the Maya side. You can go to the maya.ph/help. So open any browser that you have. An example, even Safari will work, or if you're on like your Android, open your Google, whatever it is, and just go type like maya.ph/help. Hit the enter button, and all you need to do, just go, and as you can see, you'll find here for assistance, visit the help center. You can keep scrolling down and they'll show you exactly how to do it. You'll be able to submit your ticket and they will assist you as soon as possible. And if the option or the problem is by their side, they will help you for sure and very fast. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.